What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Lisa's Food Addiction. I am Lisa, and in today's video, guys, we are making apple pie milkshakes. This recipe is amazing and it is so much fun to make. Buttery brown sugar apples mixed in creamy vanilla ice cream topped with whipped cream and caramel. Oh yes, y'all. If you are new to Lisa's Food Addiction and you want to cook with us, hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notification bell, and let's get cooking, y'all. To get started on these milkshakes, you guys, we are going to grab some green apples, wash them really good, and we're going to peel these. Once our apples are peeled, we're going to slice them up and add them into a bowl. The size of your apple slices should be similar to this one right here, okay? We want our apples to have a good texture, a good bite. We don't want to create like apple mush. We are not trying to make baby food. No ma'am, no sir. So make sure your apples have a good thickness. Once these babies are sliced and ready to go, we are going to place them into a bowl. Grab a nice, chill, laid back pan that's not going to get too hot. Add in some butter, and we're just going to create a nice butter jacuzzi for our apples. Let them cook down really good. We're going to go in with some brown sugar, white sugar, cinnamon, and flour. Once you have all of your ingredients in there, we're just going to mix this up really well, and we're going to let this simmer until all of that juice has thickened and all of our ingredients have combined well. While that is cooking, you guys, we're also going to go in with some water and vanilla extract to help create a nice sauce and to give it some flavor, of course. Once those green apples are done and they have soaked up all of that brown sugar and butter and cinnamon, we are going to place them in the fridge. Do not add these to the ice cream without cooling them off, okay, child? You will have some apple pie soup, apple pie liquid type of situation. That's not what we want. These apples must cool, so we're going to place them in the fridge until they have completely chilled. This shake needs a little crunch, so what we're going to do is we're going to grab a mixing bowl and about 6 waffle cones. We are going to crush these using our best kitchen tools ever, our hands. Once these waffle cones are crushed, we are going to cover them in some melted butter, brown sugar, and white sugar. Toss all of this together. Try not to eat half the bowl like I may or may not have done, and we are just going to let these chill and cool out with our apple pie mixture in the fridge. Once all of that good stuff is done, go ahead and grab your favorite vanilla ice cream. Add your ice cream, and because we want this to be super good, we're going to add in some sweetened condensed milk instead of regular milk, and that is going to sweeten it up a little bit more and make it really good. Next, we're going to go in with that delicious apple pie mixture, those waffle cone bites, and we're going to blend this together until everything is combined. We are going to grab a nice little cute milkshake glass like the one I have right here. Or if all you got is a paper cup in your house, honey, that's your business. I ain't gonna tell nobody. We are going to go in with our apple pie milkshake. Grab some caramel, and we're going to cover the rim of our glass in the inside. Let that caramel drip down. We're going to add on some whipped cream. Once you have that whipped cream on top, go ahead and grab one of your apple slices that soaked up all of that butter and brown sugar. We're going to plop that on there. We're also going to add a couple pieces of our waffle cone bites and one last caramel drizzle on top. I also added a little piece of mint just to make it look extra fancy and super pretty. And this milkshake is done, you guys. Now it is time to enjoy the fruits of our labor. It is time to sit down and enjoy this apple pie milkshake. If you guys had fun hanging and cooking with me on today, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notification bell so that you do not miss a video upload from Lisa's Food Addiction. Give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and share with all of your family and friends. And as always, happy cooking, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.